Shaw Floors Colorwall Carpet. Shaw Floors Colorwall carpets offer the largest selection of color options. Shaw Floors carpets offer a durable blend of comfort, durability, and style for your home. Known for their versatile nylon and polyester fibers, Shaw carpets provide excellent resilience and softness underfoot. Their products feature innovative technologies like R2X stain and soil resistance, ensuring easy maintenance and long-lasting beauty. Shaw Floors is committed to sustainability, with many of their carpets being Cradle Certified, reflecting their dedication to environmentally friendly manufacturing processes. The carpet acts as a natural insulator, improving energy efficiency and acoustics in your space. With a wide range of colors, textures, and styles available, Shaw Floors carpet combines timeless elegance with modern performance, making it a popular choice for homeowners seeking both comfort and quality. Contact us for a free consultation